Hello everyone, welcome to this Forex training series. I'm so glad you're here. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. This series is designed completely for beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge about Forex. Even if you've never heard of Forex before, don't worry. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid foundation to start trading confidently. 1. What is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. It's the global marketplace where people exchange one currency for another. Think about this. If you've ever traveled abroad, maybe from the US to the UK, you had to change your dollars into pounds. That's Forex in action. But traders like us don't exchange money just for travel. We do it to make profit from the changes in currency prices. Fun fact. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Over 7 trillion US dollars are traded every single day. That's bigger than the stock market, crypto, and gold markets combined. 2. Why trade Forex? Now, why do people like us get into Forex? First, it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can trade anytime, morning, afternoon, or night. Second, it's very liquid. That means there's always someone willing to buy or sell. Third, you can make money when the market goes up or when it goes down. Unlike stocks, you're not limited to one direction. But of course, Forex has risks too. With leverage, you can make money quickly, but you can also lose quickly. Emotions like fear and greed can make beginners blow their accounts. So, Forex is an opportunity, but only if you learn properly, and that's why you're here. 3. Who trades Forex? Now let's look at who is actually trading in this huge market. Central banks and governments. They control interest rates and policies, which move currencies. Commercial banks. They trade billions daily for business and clients. Corporations, companies that import or export goods need to exchange money. Retail traders. That's you and me, individuals trading from laptops and phones using platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5. So, even though we're small compared to banks, thanks to brokers and online platforms, we can participate in this global money market. For that, how big is the market? Let me put this into perspective. The stock market trades about $200 billion daily. Sounds big, right? But the Forex market trades over $7 trillion daily. That's like comparing a swimming pool to the entire ocean. And here's the best part. Because it's so big, there are always opportunities to enter and exit trades, even as a beginner. 5. What to expect from this course. In this free beginner series, we'll start small and simple. Step by step, you'll learn how to read currency pairs, like euro to US dollar, what pips, lots, leverage, and margin mean, how to analyze charts, and how to manage your risk like a professional trader. Everything is broken down into bite-sized lessons, so you won't feel overwhelmed. Alright, that's it for Module 1. You now understand what Forex is, why it exists, who trades it, and how massive this market is. If you enjoyed this class, please like this video, share it with a friend who wants to learn Forex, and don't forget to subscribe so you can continue learning with us absolutely free. In the next class, we'll dive into the basics of currency trading, pips, lots, leverage, and how to read a currency quote. See you in the next class.